In Singapore, 31 vulnerabilities on government IT systems were detected and fixed in the second run of a bug bounty program, and nearly $26,000 was paid out to so-called white hat hackers.
Over 3 weeks in July, 290 ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, tested 9 of the government's internet-facing systems and websites. These findings were released today at a cybersecurity conference. And a vulnerability disclosure program was also launched, which now allows people to report bugs found on the government's IT systems.
This initiative provides a channel for anyone, be it white hat hackers, cybersecurity researchers, or members of the public, to report vulnerabilities they discover on any internet-facing government system or application. Through this program, we hope to send a signal that we have a shared responsibility, together with cybersecurity defenders locally and internationally, to make our cyberspace safer and more resilient.